What if your next journey didn't feel like just a drive, but like stepping into a smart, cozy, mini luxury home on wheels? That dream is now real with the 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Van. A compact, modern, and brilliantly designed travel machine. Welcome back to my channel, where every ride becomes a story. Today we're exploring Toyota's newest camper van, built for comfort, innovation, and unforgettable adventures. Exterior, premium, and modern. The 2026 Toyota camper van looks sleek and fresh with sharp LED headlights, a bold grille, and smooth aerodynamic lines. An extended roof adds space, and the sliding door makes entry effortless. The two-tone colors, pearl white and silver, metallic black and bronze, midnight blue, add a classy travel-ready look. Interior, a tiny, luxury home. Inside, warm lighting, soft colors, and plush sofas create a cozy lounge. At night, the sofas convert into a comfortable bed. Wood-style flooring, soft LEDs, and metal accents bring a premium tiny home feel. The front seats rotate, turning the cabin into a social space. Kitchen, small but smart. The compact kitchen includes smart induction cooktop, mini refrigerator, foldable countertop, hidden storage, filtration sink, mini microwave. Perfect for cooking on the go. Technology, control everything easily. A central touchscreen controls lighting, ventilation, solar status, battery, water tanks, and more. Plus, wireless charging, USB-C ports, Bluetooth, and a Wi-Fi hotspot ideal for digital nomads. Bathroom, smart and space-saving. You get a cassette toilet, folding shower, ventilation, and waterproof surfaces, everything designed to save space. Sleeping area. The rear converts into a soft memory foam double bed with cabinets, reading lights and blackout blinds, your peaceful escape anywhere. Driving experience. Digital cluster, big infotainment screen, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic braking, and a 360-degree camera make driving super easy. The hybrid engine is smooth, quiet, and fuel efficient, with optional solar panels for off-grid power. Final thoughts. The 2026 Toyota camper van proves that small can be smart, stylish, and extremely comfortable. Would you take this on your next adventure? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.